So what I want to show you is how this Chat GPT works. And for those of you who have been studying it or reading up on it since it opened in November, you know way more than I do. I'm definitely a newbie, but what I can see so far is just how easy it is to use. So what I'm going to put in here, you can create a free account. I think that there's premium accounts too, but all you have to do is put in an email and verify it, and then you come to this new screen and you just click on new chat right up here. And I'm going to start a chat session with the Chat GPT. I'm going to put in an essay prompt from my English 100 class, which is this question: what situational and contextual factors do my teachers not know about me that might impact my academic performance? Now, I'm getting a little bit more specific here. I want 1,000 words. And I want the essay to include this information about financial difficulties, loss of motivation. Obviously, you could put whatever you wanted here, but if I'm a student and I'm thinking about writing this essay, then I might want to get specific. I'm going to go ahead and hit start, and this is going to essentially write my essay for me. Now, obviously, it doesn't include references. It can't reference anything from online. Like it can't put in an MLA citation or anything like that. But what it can do is create a pretty good framework. Now that question, my essay question, is meant to be a narrative, right? So for me, I'm looking for a personal essay, but we've all had students, I'm sure, and write narratives not using I, right? They don't use that personal voice, and the Chat GPT would allow that to have. Look at how easy this is. Um, and again, all I want to do is just kind of show you what this platform does because I personally find it pretty fascinating. Um, so while it's doing this, the other thing that you could do is, let's say, so you have it draft this essay, right? You're a student, you're a teacher, if whatever capacity you want to try to use this in. You can go back now and you can ask ChatGPT to create an outline based on this draft. So we'll do that. We'll say create an outline based on the previous response. Again, I'm pretty new, so we'll see. I think that's how it works. Yep, there it goes. And it's going to now create an outline based on that response. I could ask it to write analysis questions on that response. I can copy and paste an article from online. So again, you can't tell it to go online, but you can go to any, like I went to a Reuters article. I copied an article about what was happening in Brazil over the weekend, and I asked it to summarize the article so a 10-year-old could understand it. Done. I asked it to generate questions based on the article. Done. It's really pretty wild. So this is Chat GPT. But the other one that I saw at NCTE in November is called Sudowrite. It does the same kind of thing. So using that exact same prompt, here is what Sudowrite gave me. And again, this is free. I'm using the free trial for both. This has a free trial. I think ChatGPT is open, so that one's not going to have a paywall. This one will eventually. It's not as long, but if I were a student and I wanted to combine them to get to my whatever my word count is, I could do that very easily. So just wanted to show you a little bit about what these technologies can do.